Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filters on your Ariens ZENITH zero-turn lawnmower. Like all Ariens zero-turn maintenance, this process is easy and can be done with your own tools in your own garage. But before we begin, let's just have a look at the safety section of our operator's manual, as well as the content in our engine manual to familiarize ourselves with safety, as well as more information on your engine air filters. The inner and outer air filters are located inside the canister on the top of the engine. To open the canister and access the filters, unfasten the clips on the canister cover and remove the cover. Pull both the inner and outer filters away from the canister to remove them. Visually inspect the filters. There's no need to replace a clean filter, but change those which are soiled or clogged with debris. You'll typically only need to replace the inner air filter after every 500 hours of operation compared to the 250-hour change interval for the outer filter. But if you mow more frequently and in drier and dustier conditions, you'll need to check and replace your air filters more often. Discard any soiled filters and install the new filters with their open ends positioned toward the inside of the canister. Ensure both filters are correctly seated in the canister and reinstall the filter cover. And though this procedure was pretty easy, if you'd rather leave this to the professionals, you can always reach out to your nearest Ariens dealer at ariens.com/dealers for help. If you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.